Just a little quick review of a video posted on YouTube, hanging in a hillbilly hangar up here in Illinois with the aviator in Illinois. So enjoy. It's just working on some woodworking patches. Man, I'll be glad to get through with this. But here it is. Enjoy. Thanks for stopping by.